Hey everybody, Music Power 1103 here, reacting to No More Mr. Nice Engine, UK and US. So I hope you like it, and we're ready to begin.
No more Mr. Nice Engine. Hero is one of the strongest engines on the island of Topham.
Ducks on the
But
line.
he's also very polite and kind.
After you, Thomas. Looks like you need a wash.
Thank you, Hero.
Looks like you do, Thomas, from working up the quarry.
One morning, Diesel was shunting some troublesome trucks in the yard.
Now get in line, you silly trucks, and stay still.
You better, trucks.
Edward had delivered trucks of milk, butter, and cheese for Hero to collect.
Right, now it's your turn.
No, Diesel. You spilled the milk.
Stop biffing the trucks, Diesel. You're spilling the milk.
Yeah.
It's the only way to get these troublesome trucks to do what you want, Edward. So mind your own business.
No more, Diesel.
A little later, Hero arrived.
Good morning, Diesel. Good morning, trucks.
Oh, Hero, don't be such a Mr. Nice Engine. These trucks are nothing but troublesome, and you need to show them who's boss.
No, Diesel, not like that.
No, Diesel.
You're gonna spill the
These
milk
trucks
again.
Are no trouble. I am master of the railway.
Hero collected the trucks and puffed away.
Wait, the
But
milk
he
was spilled.
didn't know that Diesel had already spilled the milk. It wasn't long
It's
before
gonna
the
leak.
trucks started to become troublesome.
You can try and be troublesome, little trucks, but I am master of the railway.
The troublesome trucks made Hero bump and judder, but he just kept puffing. All the way to Knapford Station, where the top controller was waiting for him.
At last, the supplies for the cafeteria.
They're already there.
The men worked to
They
unload
arrived.
bread and butter and cheese.
Let's not forget the milk.
But when the top controller opened the door to the milk truck,
Oh no.
poured out.
All over his trousers.
Oh, no! My trousers!
Oh, sir. I'm so sorry, sir.
They're wet.
I don't know what happened, but the troublesome trucks
was
have been
Diesel's
very
fault.
troublesome today.
I hope you will be more careful on your next job, Hero.
Yes, sir. I will, sir.
And it looks like my next job will be to get my trousers cleaned.
Hero felt very bad about what had happened to the top controller's trousers. Later, as Hero was picking up more cream and butter at Brendam Docks, he saw Diesel again.
What's the matter, Hero?
It was your fault, Diesel.
When I was delivering troublesome trucks this morning, the Topham Hatt opened the truck door, and milk spilled out all over his trousers.
His
I
pants are
feel
wet.
so ashamed.
It was your
See,
fault,
I
Diesel.
told you trucks were trouble. You should have shown them who's boss and given them a biff.
No,
You did, Diesel. It was your fault.
Picking the trucks is never the right way. It is always best to be polite and kind.
It is, Diesel.
Hero was coupled up to the troublesome trucks. But Diesel was cross. He
Don't
thought
fume.
Hero should listen to him.
One day he'll learn.
Then Diesel had a very naughty idea.
A bad one.
Instead of adding a brake van to Hero's train, he was coupled up to the end of the line of troublesome trucks.
No, that's a bad idea.
Hero puffed away, pulling the troublesome trucks and Diesel with him. Hero's trucks were biffing and bashing as he went.
Yeah, it's Diesel doing it.
he hadn't noticed that Diesel had been coupled to his train.
Yeah, Diesel's making
I'll
it hard.
show Hero what troublesome trucks can do.
Especially when going uphill.
Hero puffed up the hill. Diesel put on his brakes to help the trucks go slowly.
See, look what you're doing, Diesel. We're close to the top.
Hero is a very strong engine, but Diesel is strong too.
Leave your brakes off, Diesel.
And Hero had to puff very hard to get to the top of
See,
the hill.
it's hard for Hero to go up the hill,
When they
but it's
came
even
down
harder to go down.
Diesel helped the trucks to go as fast as they could.
Don't let your brakes slip off, Diesel.
The troublesome trucks were having fun.
You raced past Thomas at the station.
Wow, what's going on?
Hero had never known these trucks to be so troublesome.
It's Diesel's fault.
Although he still didn't say anything.
Be polite and kind. Remember, you are master of the railway.
This made Diesel even more cross.
Diesel, what are you doing?
Stop that!
Diesel, stop it.
Right, that's it. No more Mr. Nice Engine. I am master of the railway.
It's Diesel who's doing it. He's at that third. Sudden stop.
That will show you.
Oh no.
Hero stopped so suddenly. 3 big barrels of cream flew into the air.
Not again!
Oh my gosh, on Sir Topham
And
Hatt.
splattered all over the Topham controller.
Oh my gosh.
And Edward. And Hero.
Sir Topham Hatt's not happy about
My
this.
trousers!
Oh, no.
And his suit.
Sir Topham Hatt was covered in cream. He was very cross indeed.
Hero, you have caused confusion and delay, and terrible trouble to my trousers.
It wasn't his fault. It was
so
Diesel's
sorry,
fault.
sir.
Diesel tried to sneak away,
Oh,
but
Thomas
Thomas
stopped
pulled
him.
up behind him.
Diesel, where are you going? Hero, why was Diesel pushing you and your troublesome trucks?
Diesel, was it you?
Yes, it was.
Were you the one biffing and bashing me?
And he spilled your milk this morning, Hero.
So it was Diesel. Take the blame on Diesel.
I am very disappointed in you, Diesel.
I can
You
imagine.
must learn the proper way to look after troublesome trucks.
But sir, yes, sir.
And the best engine to learn from is Hero.
Yes, sir.
Hero was very proud. Hero worked with Diesel to help him learn how to deal with troublesome trucks.
Yeah, you better learn, Diesel.
I'll show you.
No, Diesel.
You must be polite and kind. And one day, you might also be a master of the railway.
Like Hero. And maybe
Nice
Thomas must be the master of the railway, because he's number 1. Good story.